LeetCode problem number 236, lowest common ancestor. There are multiple variations of it. This is one of the variations where you are given the root pointer as well as the P and the Q pointers for which you need to find the lowest common ancestor for P and Q. So like in another variation, there is a parent pointer, so you traverse the parent pointers to get the lowest common ancestor. Say for example, in the case of 4 and 1, right? If P is 4 and Q is 1, the lowest common ancestor is 3. For 4 and 5, the lowest common ancestor is 5, not 3. So I call this as the tree recursion pattern. And so if the base case is root is null or P or Q, you return the root. I'll explain a bit with an example. And then recursively you search for get the left for lowest common ancestor for root dot left, and similarly for right. And now if both left and the right pointers are not null, you return root. So say in this case, let's say for example you are doing 4 and 1. So you start off with the root and then you try to get the lowest common ancestor in this subtree, and then you get the lowest common ancestor in the right subtree. So it percolates down, and based on that root equals to P for this node, so you return 4 at the bottom of the somewhere during the recursion process. And so this keeps percolating up because of this function, actually right in one case and then the right in both the cases. Actually it percolates up to 2 and then percolates up to here, so it will be 4 here. But in the case of the right subtree, root equals to Q, so this one also percolates up. So when you are back at here, you have left pointing to 4 and right pointing to 1, and so both are not null, so you return the root, which is 3. Say for example in the other example we took, in the case of 4 and 5, so it's the same process, but the right at the top level, the right subtree becomes null because there is no 4 or 5 on the right subtree, and so it comes into this condition finally at when the root is 3. And so if left is a null pointer, then it returns right, but left is not null pointer, left is pointing to 5, and so we return the left pointer which is pointing to 5. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe, and hit on the bell button for notifications, and I will see you in the next video.